friends, I have this Plantronics headset, model C320, which I use for editing my videos. And after some years of use, the very thin foam pads they bring to protect our ears have ripped off completely. Now that they don't have ear cushions, my ears hurt and I want to put some padding there. Searching for the right ear pads in the internet, I discovered they are very expensive where I live. Over $30, and buying them in eBay, Amazon or AliExpress might be a bit cheaper, but they can take over a month in arriving. So I decided to make my own ear pads. This is the original ear pad. I can't make one exactly the same, but I must respect some measurements. Where the sound comes out, it mustn't be covered by the foam, and where it clips around the ear cups, it must be exactly 5 centimeters. There are still some residues of the original pads. These residues are the flaps that hold the pads onto the ear cap, the red arrow in the image. As I can't make that flap, I have to stick the pads onto the ear caps with silicone, so it stays put in place. To get those residues out, you shouldn't push a wire in there because you might damage the mechanisms. You must disassemble the cap, removing these screws. We must do this carefully so we don't damage the headset. Now it's loose, and very carefully we can remove the residues of foam. As you can see, the original foam is very thin and delicate, and it rips very easily. To assemble the screws again, we must make sure we have the screws aligned, or we might break their plastic housing. In fact, it might be better not to remove these residues, because when we put silicone there, they'll get stuck to the new foam. Just a moment, you're going to need this tool. To make this tool, you have to watch my video on how to do round cuts in foam. Okay, I know it isn't perfect, not very pretty, but we made it quickly and we can now stick them on the caps. This part in the middle, where the sound comes out, must fall in the hole I cut out, so the sound is not gagged by the foam. Now, if we just put the pads on like this, they fall off. So we have to stick them on with silicone. We put a bit of silicone along the edge, just a little bit of silicone, not too much, just enough so it stays fixed there. and it will be easy to remove afterwards if we need to change it or whatever. The same with the other one. Now we let it dry for about an hour so it's not sticky anymore, and we can start using it. Quick, cheap and better. Well, that's all. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.